Hey guys, drinking my celery juice. 16 ounces every morning on an empty stomach. Been doing it for 4 years now. The reason I started it is I wanted to see if it helped with chronic pain. I have thoracic outlet syndrome and also lower back pain. I've had 3 back surgeries now, so I wanted to see if it helped with any of that stuff. So after 4 years of that, I've come to the conclusion it doesn't really help with pain. But what I have figured is I did have some stomach problems. Like my stomach would just kind of get upset and I'd feel kind of bloated and I'd be burping a lot. And I'd get these spells where it'd be that way for, I don't know, maybe a week or 2 at a time. And like throughout my life I've had that, and I'd always feel just kind of tired and you know, just not that good. And I think it has helped that. So that is one thing that I think has helped. And the other thing is hemorrhoids. I have hemorrhoids, and I've noticed that if I don't drink the celery juice for a couple of days, my hemorrhoids get worse. I actually had surgery for that, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 years ago. That's not a surgery you want to have. So I would say drinking the celery juice really is helpful for that. So I think that's another. The stomach issues and the hemorrhoids are probably the 2 reasons I stick with it. Like I said, I've been doing it for 4 years now. It's kind of a hassle because you got to buy all this celery, you got to make the juice every morning, got to wash the juicer. It's kind of time consuming, and then you kind of have to go to the bathroom more often. Usually what'll happen is I'll drink this, then I'll have a cup of coffee a little after, and that'll just kind of make me have to go, and it kind of just flush me out, and I'm usually pretty good with that. And then I've been doing the medical medium heavy metal detox smoothie every day for about the same amount of time now, and I do that just for the same well, I can't really notice any big differences with that, but they say it's good just to keep the heavy metals out of your system. And you know, I've been doing pretty good health-wise, so you know, I stick with that for that reason as well. But I would say, like I said, those are the main reasons I drink this. Besides that, I haven't really noticed too much else. This is the juicer I use. It's the Omega Celery Juicer. I've had this for 4 years. Same amount of times I've been drinking the celery juice. I'm kind of tired. I need my coffee, so I'm just going to keep this video pretty short and finish my celery juice here so I can have my coffee. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.